Every kilogram arrives with complete traceability. One uncertified sheet could ground an aircraft before it ever leaves the factory. Invisible flaws smaller than a grain of sand can never be allowed to fly. Every sheet must earn its place. Aircraft manufacturing begins with measurement, not machining. Precision always comes first. This single machine removes kilograms of metal while protecting tolerances measured in microns.
Every pass removes only fractions of a millimeter. The smoother the surface, the stronger the aircraft becomes. Thousands of holes must align perfectly. Even a tiny deviation can multiply across the aircraft.
Computers verify every opening before a single fastener is installed. Flat metal begins transforming into the curved body that will eventually carry hundreds of passengers.
Perfect curvature today prevents aerodynamic losses decades later.
Titanium protects the aircraft where aluminum alone isn't strong enough.
Microns decide whether massive aircraft structures fit together flawlessly.
Unlike metal, these fibers gain incredible strength only after perfect layering.
Every fiber follows calculated load paths that will carry enormous aerodynamic forces. One trapped particle can weaken an entire aerospace structure. Without perfect vacuum pressure, the world's largest aircraft would never leave the ground. This pressure vessel recreates conditions impossible in normal atmosphere.
Heat and pressure permanently transform soft carbon layers into aerospace-grade structures.
Hours of controlled curing have created a structure lighter than aluminum, yet remarkably strong. The wing has passed its first critical inspection. Next, thousands of internal structural components will begin transforming it into one of Europe's largest aircraft.
A wing this large cannot flex even a millimeter during assembly. The fixture becomes the aircraft's temporary skeleton.
These spars will carry the enormous lifting forces generated during every flight. Titanium demands patience. Drill too fast, and the tool overheats within seconds. At aerospace scale, 20 microns can decide whether structures align perfectly or require complete rework. One flawless movement prevents weeks of costly structural corrections. Every rivet becomes a permanent structural connection designed to survive decades of flight cycles. These ribs give the wing its aerodynamic shape while distributing enormous flight loads. Every rib must sit exactly where aerodynamic engineers intended. Automation guarantees consistency impossible to achieve through manual installation alone. Hidden inside the wing is an engineering masterpiece few passengers will ever see. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable inside an aircraft wing. Quality isn't inspected at the end. It is verified after every critical operation.
Every moving flight surface depends on hinges machined with extraordinary precision.
Reducing friction by tiny amounts greatly extends service life.
Nothing escapes the inspection cameras, not even defects invisible to the human eye.
Correct torque is just as important as the parts themselves.
The wing is finally ready to receive the control surfaces that will command it through the sky.
A component spanning several meters must align within fractions of a millimeter.
Before the aircraft ever flies,
Every moving surface must prove it can move flawlessly. The wing has passed one of its most demanding inspections. Next, the enormous fuselage sections will begin taking shape around the structure. Now the aircraft begins to take shape. These giant frames will become the pressure shell protecting hundreds of passengers at 40,000 feet. Every frame must share one perfectly straight center line. Tiny errors today would become massive distortions later. The entire aircraft is now being measured before a single skin panel is attached. An aircraft this large is still expected to meet astonishingly small tolerances. Each panel has already survived countless machining operations before reaching this moment. Even flexible aluminum must be guided carefully to prevent permanent distortion. Temporary fasteners prevent even the slightest movement before permanent assembly begins.
One final inspection protects thousands of permanent fasteners from costly mistakes.
Thousands of rivets transform separate parts into one incredibly strong pressure vessel. These hidden reinforcements help the fuselage survive millions of pressure cycles. The aircraft's unmistakable front section begins as another collection of precision-engineered components. Aerodynamics begin with geometry, measured far beyond what the human eye can detect. This platform will eventually support pilots and thousands of critical control systems. Every fastener is electronically recorded for complete lifetime traceability. The iconic cockpit windows demand extraordinary precision before the glass is ever installed. Perfect openings today guarantee airtight cockpit windows for decades of service. These transparent panels are engineered to withstand enormous pressure differences and extreme weather. Precision installation ensures the cockpit remain both strong and perfectly sealed.
Every millimeter of seal protects the cockpit from extreme altitude and weather.
The aircraft finally has its recognizable front section. Next, these massive assemblies will be joined into a single airframe. Months of manufacturing now converge into a single moment. Separate sections must become one perfectly aligned aircraft.
Before a single fastener is installed, computers align structures with extraordinary precision.
The entire aircraft now depends on this seamless connection. Joining two aircraft sections leaves no room for compromise. Precision here determines structural integrity for decades. Thousands of permanent fasteners transform separate assemblies into one airframe. One final body section remains before the aircraft reaches its full length.
Even structures weighing many tons can be positioned with astonishing delicacy.
For the first time, the aircraft's complete body stands as one continuous structure. The wing that began as carbon fibers and titanium is finally returning to meet the aircraft. Lifting such a massive structure demands perfect synchronization from every crane.
Only perfect alignment allows the aircraft to safely transfer enormous aerodynamic loads. These connections will carry millions of kilograms of cumulative flight loads throughout the aircraft's lifetime. Everything accomplished on one side must now be repeated with identical precision.
Even tiny swings are unacceptable when positioning structures of this scale. The aircraft is only moments away from carrying both of its enormous wings.
Symmetry isn't just beautiful, it's essential for stable flight. These landing gear assemblies will absorb the tremendous forces of every landing. The aircraft finally begins standing on its own structure. Every landing begins with these precisely engineered connections.
For the first time, this giant aircraft stands as a complete airframe. Next comes the heart of every flight.
The wings are ready. Now the machines that will generate hundreds of kilonewtons of thrust finally arrive. An engine weighing several tons must align with remarkable precision before a single bolt is tightened. These connections must withstand extreme vibration, thrust, and countless flight cycles.
Before fuel or electricity is connected, the engine's structure must be absolutely perfect.
Every installation must mirror the opposite side with identical precision.
Balanced installation ensures equal structural loading across both wings.
An engine cannot fly on thrust alone. Every system must communicate flawlessly with the aircraft. Even the smallest leak is unacceptable in an aircraft expected to cross continents.
Thousands of meters of wiring allow every aircraft system to communicate instantly.
These computers constantly monitor thousands of aircraft parameters during every flight. Every electrical circuit must prove its integrity before the aircraft receives power.
Electrical reliability is verified long before the engines ever start.
The engineering masterpiece now begins transforming into a passenger aircraft.
Behind every elegant cabin is an extraordinary amount of hidden engineering.
The aircraft is finally beginning to resemble the airliner passengers will recognize.
Passenger comfort begins with precision manufacturing.
After months of construction, electricity flows through the aircraft for the very first time. Thousands of onboard computers now begin checking one another automatically. Every control surface must move with flawless accuracy before the aircraft can ever leave the ground. The engineering is complete. Only the most demanding ground tests and the first journey into daylight remain before.
After months of precision manufacturing, the aircraft finally leaves the assembly hall for the very first time.
Before the engines ignite, every sensor and safety system is verified one final time.
The silence ends. For the first time, the heart of this giant aircraft comes alive. Engineers study every vibration and temperature before increasing power.
Thousands of precisely manufactured parts now work together as one powerful propulsion system.
For the first time, this engineering giant moves using its own power.
Stopping safely is just as important as taking off.
One final inspection confirms that every manufacturing step has met aerospace certification standards. From raw metal and carbon fiber to one of Europe's greatest engineering achievements, this moment belongs to every skilled worker behind it. The question asked at the very beginning is finally about to be answered. Every micron of precision, every rivet, every inspection has led to this single breathtaking moment. What began as raw aluminum, titanium, carbon fiber, and millions of precision-engineered components has become one of Europe's greatest achievements.